So friends, Soumitra here from Mindra Opportunity Information, and in this video today I'm going to talk specifically about the content. People are asking me about that, whether the content is only India specific or it is universal. I mean, it can be internationally applied. So I would say that the course has been designed to answer the questions which come to the business owner, okay, in the mind. So if you are a business owner across the globe, anywhere, the course is for you. Second, the course is created in English language, so it is again universal. That is what I want to tell you. Another thing about the content of the course, okay. So yes, there are certain elements in the course which are India specific. For example, the regulating authority for the packaged drinking water here in India. Packaged drinking water is also a specific name which is being given to the packed labeled water, okay, in India. It is called as packaged drinking water, and the regulating authority is Bureau of Indian Standards. So that is BIS, okay. You can browse the website bis.gov.in for that. So it is a fact, but the another fact is Bureau of Indian Standard, the website has been inspired by the WHO standards only. So the World Health Organization standards are definitely applicable for that. Another website which we keep on referring is FSSAI, that is food related to food packaging. So that also has been inspired from the Codex website. So the references will be common anywhere in the world. If there are some other standardization agencies or government standards in your country, you can refer those particular standards. Otherwise, if there are no standards, the BIS standards are well enough compatible with all standards in the world, okay. But again, about the website and all that, it's hardly any part which we cover, okay, because giving procedures is not our motto of the training. It is not about procedures you can always find anywhere on the internet and asking anybody. The whole thing is the thought process, the strategy about the business and all that, okay. Second part which we talk about currencies hardly any time, because we shall be talking about the selling price in Indian rupees or the machinery cost in terms of Indian rupees. That's something like that, but that you can understand it's only a reference material. So in all, the whole thing is only 5%, maybe 3 to 5%, which is India specific. Otherwise, the content is completely universal. You can refer it from anywhere, okay. This is number one thing. Second thing, if you want to join the course, the fee is in Indian rupees, that is fine, but we are giving US dollar buying credit card link to all the people who are buying from any part of the world. People have been joining and our trainings, from all parts of the world, that is mainly Africa, then some Africans who have settled in the US and all that. So these people are also attending our trainings. So it's absolutely a universal course. You can join from any place. If you are having any doubts, you can just post to our WhatsApp, or you can contact us, and you can check the content of the course. You must have checked the contents of the course, and there are also many reviews which you can find on the go. So guys, I would definitely see to it that you subscribe to the channel, and you also press the bell icon so you will not miss a single notification. Also, if you are interested in the training, you can just post a WhatsApp message to me at the number 98224 78111. I would repeat, 98224 78111. This is India number, so you have to affix 91 behind the number. But you can send it, and I will see to it that you are subscribed to the alerts list also. Thank you so much.